Alright, sometimes when you've got birds, game meat, as far as birds go, like quail, ducks, pheasant, even, not that they're game birds, but even chicken sometimes, and you feel like fried chicken, but you don't want to have to go and get KFC or anything like that because no one wants to eat that. Or I don't eat it anyway. But you want to crumb it and fry it at home, but instead of just, getting a packet of breadcrumbs and doing, that's awful. I'm going to let you in on what I use for mine. Now I'll put the recipe on here as well too, so I'm just going to show you. I've just made it up and I thought people might want to use it. So here it is. Alright, now this is it. Now it is breadcrumbs. Now breadcrumbs that I've made myself. Old bread that I put through the food processor till it's really fine. I like a fine breadcrumb with this. Parsley, garlic, dukkha, which you can get at most supermarkets or even in the deli section. A bit of that. Salt and pepper. Can't remember if I said garlic, but it's got garlic in it. Lemon juice and this ingredient. Now these are fried shallots. Now you can get these really easily in the Asian section of your supermarket. They're in there as well, and that's basically what you get. Alright. So what I'll do, I'm going to do some chicken with these actually, some of my own chickens. Haven't got any game at the moment. So I'll do some chicken with that, and I'll post some photos. I'll post a recipe on the exact amounts of what I listed before, and I'll put a few photos up of how it looks when it comes out at the end. But this is fantastic. Once you eat this, you'll never want to eat any other things as well, and especially those bought breadcrumbs. Please don't buy bought breadcrumbs. They're foul. You can make your own. They're 100 times better. Alright, cool.